Hi. In this video, you will learn how you can import your test cases from a CSV or Excel to TestCollab easily. TestCollab supports CSV, XLSX, ODS, and ODT file format for import. Let us see how import works. Click on Import option under Test Cases menu. You will see the Import wizard. First step is selecting the source of import. We would go with CSV. Next step is uploading the spreadsheet. If you are not sure about the structure to be used, you can also download the sample file for reference. Let us upload a file from my PC. There are some optional configurations you can do. You can select a pre-existing suite from the drop-down here. This will import all the test cases from spreadsheet under the selected test suite. Other option is Enable Suites Mapping. You can use this option if you want the suites in your spreadsheet to be mapped with suites already present in your TestCollab project. Third option is Steps Parsing. If all the steps for a test case are in same row, then you can select the delimiter that you have used in the spreadsheet. There are two options. There can be comma-separated steps or numbered steps. In Next Step of Wizard, you are asked whether the first row contains column names. The spreadsheet we are using does have the headers in first row. Next steps is Mapping of Fields. Here you will map the columns in spreadsheet with the fields in TestCollab. Most columns are auto-mapped if their names in header match the names of fields. If not, you can select the field name from the list. Map Values. In this step you tell TestCollab which value for a field in spreadsheet should be mapped with the values that are already present in TestCollab. This works for fields that have options. Finally, in the last step of Wizard, you would be shown a preview of how the data would look after import. If everything looks good, you can then hit the Finish Import button. The import process takes a couple of minutes. On completion of the process, a summary of import is shown. Once the data has been successfully imported, then you can use Go to List button to see the imported data on Test Cases page. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding the test case import process, please feel free to send them to support@testcollab.com.